everyone. It's 1:10 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria. And in the Philippines, it's 8:10 na ng gabi. So, ito guys, ang aking luto for today. Gi-air fryer ko to siya guys. Yan. Grilled Thai. Thai? Yeah, I think Thai. Thai chicken. Ayan guys. Ang sarap. And of course guys, naggawa rin ako ng salad. And of course guys, rice is life. So, ayan guys. Napakasarap guys. Napaka-juicy ng aking chicken grilled in the air fryer. Ayan guys. Tingnan nyo guys kung gaano kasarap. Napakasarap. Yum yum. Kain tayo guys. Babush.
Ano yan, May?
Thai chicken air fryer grilled.